just finished my work on the transformer overheating issue, and now it's time to log the details. Normally, this would mean typing out everything manually. Time spent, travel distance, expenses, observations. But with the new voice-to-text feature in SAP Service and Asset Manager, it's so much easier. I simply hit Start Recording and spoke naturally. I performed maintenance on this unit for 3 hours. I travelled 12 kilometres to the job site and included €275 in expenses for replacement parts. I observed that the outlet in the pump assembly has a rupture due to maintenance calls. A few seconds later, all the fields were filled in automatically, quick, accurate, and fully aligned with what I said. The embedded AI just handled it. Then I remembered something I needed to change. No problem. I re-recorded with an update. Actually, I worked only for 2 hours instead of 3, and add a reminder that the pump needs monthly inspection. The app updated everything instantly. Finally, the details were submitted and logged correctly, without typing a word. With natural language input and AI, I spend less time navigating systems and more time doing actual work, reducing costs and helping keep our assets in better shape.